welcome back. This is the Gadget Show, and now it's time for a bout of unboxing. And standing proudly at the plinth is none other than Mr. Otis Dealey. Good to have you back, big man.
Thank you, sir.
How's Fatherhood 2.0 going?
I'm up to my neck in nappies. I'm getting no sleep. I'm loving every minute. Save me, save me.
Eddie, back to business. What is in the box?
Okay, this is a brand new piece of tech. So new, in fact, that this is one of only 5 prototypes in existence.
Well, we are honoured. What is it?
Okay, this is the Smacircle. It's from China, and it's a folding electric bike.
Okay.
Look at that. Well packaged, right?
Yeah, lovely box.
Okay, so it's capable of 16 miles on one charge, top speed of 15 miles per hour.
Yeah. What's it for?
Okay, basically it's for that all-important last mile commute. Okay, so it's light enough at £17 to fit in a backpack.
Okay, so the bit from the train station or the bus stop to work.
Exactly that.
Okay, how much?
To you, sir, 1,400 quid.
Ow!
It comes with a bag that you can carry it in.
Oh, bargain then!
All right, let's get the seat out. That's where the battery is housed. Now, I'm told that this can be easily assembled or unfolded in just 5 steps.
Okay, let's test that out, shall we?
Okay, I'm going to need your help here.
Okay.
So that's the first button to open it up.
Okay.
There we are. Should hear a click. Good.
Yeah.
And then the front wheel, click. There we are. So it's a little bit fiddly. There should be another one here.
There you go, hear the click.
Now, handlebars. This is a fiddly bit. Ah, cool.
Okay, but that's in studio conditions. What about at a bus stop in the rain? And
Then
the seat?
Seat comes up, and then that, like I said, houses the battery, sits on the back. Did I say that it only weighs 17 pounds? 8 kilos.
Yeah.
So it's lightweight.
Okay. It's light enough.
Yeah, because it's light though, Craig.
Yeah.
So far they've only been able to have riders on it of a weight of up to 100 kilos. And I know you had a good Easter.
Yeah.
I can see that you had a good
Do you want your
Easter.
baby to be an orphan?
All right, hold on, I've got to turn it on.
Okay, turn it on. Ooh.
Did you feel that?
I felt that.
Yeah, go on then. Off you go. Oh, he's off. He's gone.
Oh, hey, I'm coming through. Wow, it's a bit rickety. The faster you go, the more stable it becomes, but you do feel quite exposed and quite vulnerable. And the wheels are tiny. I don't know how comfortable you'd feel on the roads of London or Manchester. You can get up some speed though. Hey!
Here he comes, look, our intrepid adventurer. Oh, I did forget to mention, it will come with a kickstand, also an app that will give you feedback on battery level, mileage. You can use the sat-nav, and you can lock and unlock it remotely.
Okay, what do we think, guys?
I think I'd want pedals with it, just to give me a little bit more control and, you know, if you're going uphill.
Well, it's potentially a clever design, but like you, I worry about the stability. I mean, I think I'd feel happier walking the last mile.